Hello mga kamasa, this is my vlog for today. Ang aking mga medicinal plant. Now this is alugbati. This is alugbati and I have alugbati and mayroong mga ferns katulad nito, may mga ferns, and another one is ito oregano. So meron akong oregano, ito pantatlo, and then I have this kind of plant, itong ito, hindi ko siya maalala. This one pang-apat, and then another one, may oregano, may ito malunggay, and then I have this guyabano leaves. Ito mataas na siya, at siyempre meron ding alagaw. Ito yung favorite kong sinasama sa adobo. And then we have katakataka. Ayun, katakataka. Yan, pang ilan na siyang herbs. Katakataka. And then I have also, aside from malunggay and oregano, meron din akong avocado leaves, at meron ako ditong serpentina. Ito, serpentina, katakataka. Ito ay kamarya, and I have this kind of berry, and of course yung puno ng kamyas and puno ng mangga. Ayan, ngayon meron na uling mga bulaklak. And I have ito yung napakalaking puno ng talisay na ayan, palaging maraming dahon. Ito yung aking winawalis. So I have several kinds of plants. Ito, tulad ng mga ito. Ayan, plants pa rin. And this one is berry also, kind of berry. At ito yung original plant ko, tree, the miracle fruit o calabash tree. Yan. So this is my vlog for today. At magwawalis na ang senior.